Match questions. List 1 has location of joint, list 2 type of joint. So joint between humerus and pectoral girdle. It is ball and socket joint. So A2. A2. Next one. So A2 you can see in option number 1 and 4. Knee joint. Knee joint is hinge joint. So B is 3. A2 and B3. Where do you see it? It is in option number 1. So answer is option number 1. So we did it around in 35 seconds. Joint between atlas and axis. Atlas is called cervical vertebrae 1 and axis is cervical vertebrae 2. C1 and C2. So this is pivot joint. And this will be C4. And joint between carpal is gliding joint. So D1. So let's understand the classification of joint, a quick revision of this topic. So total number of different types of joint. There are 3. So based on the movement allowed, this is the first one is fibrous joint, completely immovable, then cartilaginous joint, and the last one is synovial. So this one is completely immovable. Okay, immovable. This one is slightly movable and synovial is freely movable. So what is the difference between the joining material which joins the joint, the bones? In this case it is dense fibrous connective tissue. Dense fibrous connective tissue. Connective tissue. And that is the reason it kind of cements the joint and makes it immovable. Example is skull. Skull bones. In case of cartilaginous joints, you have cartilage between the bones. Example will be vertebra, C2 onwards. And synovial joint, freely movable. The 5 examples given. Number 1, ball and socket joint. Ball and socket joint. Second one is called hinge joint. Then third one is pivot joint. Then fourth one will be gliding joint. And fifth one is saddle joint. And what are the examples given? So this is the pectoral girdle and humerus. Humerus. Then hinge joint is the knee joint. Pivot joint is between C1 and C2. Atlas and axis. Then gliding joint, examples given are carpals. And last one, the saddle joint is carpal and metacarpal of thumb. Metacarpal of thumb. So please revise this again and again. Everything should be on your fingertips so that it will be very easy to attempt such question. That's all about this question. Thank you so much for watching my video.